tjardi. Tu gaimis an ail domhain. Agus ligimis keithar fiade noimeid. Slan.
Hello, Millie friends! Come aboard our bus and let's go to school together! Learning with Jira Millie is very cool! Millie kisses for you!
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Now, without the head. Shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Now we're singing without the head and the shoulders. Knees and toes, knees and toes. Knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Knees and toes, knees and toes. Now without the head, the shoulders and the knees. Toes, toes. Toes, toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Toes, toes. Now we're gonna sing without the head, without the shoulders, without the knees, and without the toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. And now it all comes back. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. The sun has appeared, it's time to wake up now. Stretch those arms, let's get out of our beds. One foot after the other, walk, 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 'cause the day is about to begin. Brush your teeth well, up and down again. Turn on the tap now and wash that pretty face. Now you really woke up, rinse and rinse and rinse it all. The day is about to begin. What will we have for breakfast today? Will it be a banana or will it be an apple? Will we have some milk today or just pineapple juice? I hope we have some sandwiches, yummy, yummy, yummy. Let's say good morning, 'cause that's how it's done. Good morning, Jeremiah, good morning, Mom and Dad. Good morning, everyone. Be nice, be nice, be nice, 'cause the day is about to begin. It's time to go to school and it's time to get ready, so we can learn together and have a good time with friends. The clock doesn't stop, so hurry, 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 'cause you know that we cannot be late. I'm almost getting hungry, it must be lunchtime, so let's eat something healthy so we'll feel really good. I want to eat my veggies 'cause they make me big and strong, so I can grow up tall and play while I'm small. Now it's time to go home, it's time to get some rest. The sun is really tired, so the moon is on its way. The afternoon is ending, so let's go, 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 'cause the day is just about to end. It's time to take a bath now, let's get ourselves clean. Wash the dirt away and put our jammies on. Grab a sponge and soap, scrub and scrub and scrub, 'cause the day is just about to end. Dinner has arrived, time to eat, so grab a plate. Don't forget to brush your teeth after you've eaten everything. On my comfy bed, I am going to lay down. It's just one more little story and then I will fall asleep. safari there was a toucan, E-I-E-I-O. And Tuco flew over here, and Tuco flew over there, and Tuco flew everywhere, E-I-E-I-O. Jiramil at the safari, E-I-E-I-O. And on the safari there was a lion, E-I-E-I-O. And Maine roared over here, and Maine roared over there, and Maine roared everywhere, E-I-E-I-O. Jiramil at the safari, E-I-E-I-O. And on the safari there was a zebra,